Hello yogis, and welcome to the YOGATX YouTube channel. I wanted to create a video for you that you could do at your office in your chair to help you with neck and back stiffness or even pain. So if you're sitting at your office desk, if you're sitting at your computer desk, give yourself the next 10 minutes to do these few movements and they can really change your day. My name is Jill Enticknap and I'm the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. And I'm really happy to be here with you on the YOGATX YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and first get ourselves situated in our chair. Get your sit bones nice and firm. Plant your feet evenly on the floor. You can even take off your shoes if you're in a place where that is something that you can do. And let's just take a moment to flip the palms, palm facing down. Now you can keep your eyes open or you can close down your eyes. I'm going to close down my eyes, but if you're doing this and you're in your office, you may not want to close down your eyes because you might be looking like you're still working away. That's the beauty of the practice of yoga, is that it can be done anywhere, anytime. Let's get nice and tall from the sit bones through the crown of the head, keeping the chin nice and parallel to the floor. Just take a couple deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Again, big breath in, full breath out. We're going to do two more, and if it's okay for you to open mouth exhale, I invite you to open mouth exhale. Big breath in, open mouth exhale. And again, big breath in, open mouth exhale. Let's tuck the chin to the chest, draw the shoulders back and the crown forward. Continuing to tuck the chin in, creating space through the neck. Slowly, gently roll right ear, right shoulder. Left ear, left shoulder. Shifting from side to side, right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Couple more times, right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Bring the neck through center. Let's inhale, lift the nose up toward the ceiling, open through the throat, and exhale, tuck the chin toward the chest. Bring the gaze down. Inhale, lift the nose toward the ceiling. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. One more. Inhale, lift the nose to the ceiling. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Come back through center. Let's take an inhale as we shift the chest forward and draw the shoulder blades toward one another. And then exhale, press the spine toward the back of the chair, rolling the shoulders forward. Inhale, arch the chest forward, draw the shoulder blades together. Exhale, round and press the spine back. Inhale, arch, and exhale, round. One more, inhale, arch, and exhale, round. Come through center. Let's take the right hand down by our side and sweep the left hand overhead. Just reach it up and then lift your gaze toward the ceiling. Let that left hand come down, right hand reaches, create space and length through the side body. Come back through center. Let's take the hands, clasp them together, and take a moment and just roll out the wrists. Do some figure eights with the wrists. And then press the palms forward. Really press the palms forward. Let's bring those palms over to the right, back through center, and over to the left. Back through center. Bring the arms up overhead. See if you can bring them behind the ears. And then bring the hands back down. Let's do that one more time. Inhale up. And exhale, let those palms come down onto your knees. Take your right foot and place it above the left knee. The right ankle above the left knee. Now, this is a figure 4 or pigeon pose. And what I invite you to do is to take that right hand onto the knee, and if there's any space there for you to press into that knee, I invite you to press into the knee. And we're going to take 2 deep breaths here. And let's place that right foot down, switching it out. Bring the left ankle above the right knee. Get nice and tall. Bring that left hand to the left knee. And just, if there's any space there to press into that knee, press into the knee. And let's take that left foot, place it back on the floor. Open up the feet, just kind of heel toe those feet wide, and sink your hips back in your chair, and see if you can just let your head hang heavy. Letting the body kind of hang down toward the floor. Let's bring the torso back through center. Heel toe the feet back toward one another. Sink yourself back in your chair. Really press the back into whatever part of the chair that you're able to press into. Get nice and tall on an inhale. And exhale, let that bottom sink into the floor. Again, get nice and tall. Let the bottom sink into the floor. Let's take the hands, clasp them behind the back if that's accessible. Maybe you even bring the hands to the back of the chair. If you can, clasp them behind the back, and just take a moment to let the arms kind of drape over the back or clasp together behind the back. And let's take 3 deep breaths into the chest. Feel the lungs expand and release. Feel the lungs expand and release. Again, inhale and exhale. With those feet planted evenly on the floor, take your right hand to the outside edge of the left knee, reach for the back of your chair, and see if you can use that right hand as leverage to draw the left shoulder back. 2 deep breaths in this twist. Come back through center. We'll switch it out. Take that left hand to the outside edge. Draw the right shoulder back. Gaze back. 2 deep breaths. Come back through center. Heel toe the feet all the way to touch. Flip the palms back, palm facing down. Again, maybe your eyes are open or maybe you close down your eyes, and we're just going to take 3 deep breaths to close out our practice. That concludes our 10 minutes seated chair yoga practice that you can do at your office, whether you're in your office at home, in your office, at work. But this will help you to just ground in, to gain energy. It helps to reoxygenate the body, and kind of open up that energy throughout the body, helping you to move more productively throughout your day. Thank you so much for joining me here on the YOGATX YouTube channel. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and owner of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. If you want to see a little bit more about what I do, you can go to my website at www.yogiinstitute.com. If you enjoyed this video, or if you're looking forward to more videos from YOGATX, I encourage you to subscribe so that you never miss another video. I hope to see you again soon. Until then, may your light be your guide. Namaste.